here I have OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'm going to show you how to disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, top here, go to its settings, and here you have flip selfie. So as you can see, like when you have this feature enabled, I'll show you an example by taking two photos, with one with this feature enabled and the other one with it disabled. And as you can see, these photos are mirrored because on this photo lightning is more on the right side and on this one more on the left side. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.